This is News Applied, from global headlines to your daily life. Here's how the last 24 hours affect your wallet, your safety, and your world. Let's get into it.
The RBI has just cut the repo rate by 0.25% to 6.25% to support growth while keeping inflation in check. Let's see how this hits your wallet. If you're planning a home or car loan, banks may lower rates soon, making your EMI a bit lighter. Already paying a floating rate loan? You might see relief in coming months. But savers, your FD returns could drop. This small tweak changes your big money decisions ahead. Moving on. Parliament's winter session is heating up, with the opposition pushing hard on farm distress and rural jobs while the government advances key tax bills. So, how does this political drama affect you? It decides how much support reaches villages, which directly stabilizes your grocery bills. If rural spending grows, it eases migration pressure on your city. Basically, these debates determine your food inflation and job market stability. Next up. A severe cold wave and dense fog have gripped North India, forcing states to shut schools or change timings and delaying flights and trains. Here is the direct impact on your family. You need to bundle up kids and elders immediately as heart and lung risks are high. Parents expect sudden school holidays. Commuters plan for fog delays. It's not just weather, it's a disruption to your schedule, health, and heating bill. Speaking of schools, due to the extreme weather, many schools are rescheduling pre-boards and unit tests at the last minute to keep students safe. Let's look at what this means for your home. If you have kids, get ready for sudden timetable changes. It's messy, but it buys students extra prep time if used wisely. Working parents will need to juggle office hours with unpredictable pickup times. Flexibility is your only strategy this week. On to infrastructure. The government has cleared the report for a new Namo Bharat Rapid Rail linking Gurugram, Faridabad and Noida to the wider network. Here is how this changes your future. Once built, your 2-hour commute could drop to under an hour. This opens up jobs and housing options you couldn't consider before. Property prices near stations will likely rise. It's a long-term shift that redefines where you can live and work in the NCR. Zooming out to the world, China's trade surplus has crossed a record $1 trillion, driven by aggressive exports even as their local demand slows. So, how does this global shift impact you? It means tougher price competition for Indian businesses, but also a chance for India to attract buyers looking for alternatives. For you, this influences job growth in manufacturing and export sectors. It's a mix of risk and opportunity for Indian careers. Next story. Southeast Asia is tightening Mpox surveillance with new vaccination strategies, while Indian authorities remain on high alert. Let's see how this affects your safety. Don't panic. This is about prevention, not lockdowns. If you travel or work in healthcare, expect stricter checks. For everyone else, it's just about staying aware. Better preparation now prevents the kind of sudden health shocks we've seen before. From health to borders. Fresh border clashes and airstrikes between Thailand and Cambodia are straining the peace deal in a key tourism region. Here is what you need to know before you travel. If you're planning a Southeast Asia trip, check for travel advisories and insurance updates. Costs might tick up and routes could change. It's not a crisis for us yet, but keeping an eye on this ensures your holiday plans don't get stuck in a conflict zone. Moving to Europe. Europe is bracing for a winter of the century, with warnings of power strain and high heating costs hitting cities hard. Let's look at the impact on Indian students abroad. If you have family studying there, tell them to budget for higher utility bills. Campus schedules might face disruptions. It's a signal for parents here to keep a financial cushion ready because living costs in Europe are about to spike temporarily. Finally, Indian markets just saw their worst drop in months, while Indigo continues to face massive flight cancellations and delays. So, how does this hit your money and plans? Investors, don't panic. Volatility is normal right now. Just ensure you aren't overexposed to one sector. Travelers, double-check your flight status and carry backup cash. Whether it's your portfolio or your boarding pass, this week demands a plan B.
You are now fully updated, not just with the latest events, but with their true significance. If this coverage made an impact, hit like to let us know it mattered. Subscribe to stay informed and ring the bell icon so you never miss a moment. Join me again tomorrow for news that matters, where headlines are decoded and impact is made clear. This is News Applied.